I will be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you from all these arrows, and the sword I wield will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Hi guys, what's up? Today we have these three groovy 1950s Beetles over here. And something very cool about these cars, they all have the Wolfsburg crest on them with a blue background, which were made between 1951 and 59. And it's actually one customer who bought all three of these Beetles and is shipping them from South Africa all the way to Ireland. So all three of these cars are here for a proper paint correction to get them looking good as new for their new owner. So these two have already been decontaminated and we're now busy with the last one before we move on to the paint correction.
Soles of my shoes are worn, the knees of my jeans are torn. Sweat coming through my shirt, keep pushing even though it hurts. I'm chasing what I know is true, there's nothing that I would not do. When everyone around me drops, I'm never gonna ever stop. I won't waste another minute, no I won't. I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man on a mission.
So as you guys can see, they are now busy with the paint corrections on all three of the cars. And since all three were made in the 1950s, they have pretty unique paint colors. So for example, over here, this one is quite a deep and rich color and it's called garnet red. Then moving on to my personal favorite, we have pastel green on this one and I think it looks pretty stunning. And lastly, this one is quite a cool and a funky name and it's called Fjord Blue.
Till I own this dream, build it like you've never seen. Even at the mountaintop, I'm never gonna ever stop. I won't wait another minute, no I won't. I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man on a mission. Take it up now, take it up. I ain't waiting and wishing. Take it up now, take it up. Oh, I got that ambition. Take it up now, take it up. I'm a man on a mission. Won't wait another minute, no, I won't.
And we are done. So these three 1950s Beetles were in for a paint correction and they came out looking absolutely popping and glossy. In the comments below, tell us which one is your favorite. Garnet red, pastel green or fjord blue. So now let's head on to the B-roll to see the stunning end results of these three amazing cars.
On the edge of a knife, I've been waiting for this all my life. I feel it in my veins, feel it in my blood. You know I can't stop till I'm good and done.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and remember to hit that bell icon if you want to be notified of any of our future videos. See you in the next one.